Hello and welcome to the tutorial on using the INSITU GEO by KOMS Softwares to analyze your CPT. Now here is the CPT, and here you input your basic information, and here the groundwater level depth, and here for your machine select either it's a friction jacket cone or a mantle cone machine. Then you input the basic details of your machine, the measuring system, and here you input the net area ratio, the sleeve external surface area, and the area of cone base, and other information. And here you select if your machine measures QC and FS, either yes or no, and if it is in kilogram per centimeter squared, and if it measures in QC and QS, or QC and QT. So just fill in the basic details here. That for your input table, you input the various depths with their individual cone resistance and sleeve resistance, and also the pore water pressure. Yeah, that's if you have the values. Okay, and here for the design of your foundation, you click to move to input foundation. This section is for the shallow foundation, and this section is for the deep foundation. So you input your data here. So you input the load on footing, and for your deep foundation or power foundation, you input the pile depth, the pile section type, the load on pile group diameter, the length and width of power group section. Okay, then let's check out the output foundation. Now we have the total settlement for a shallow foundation, and the net allowable bearing capacity. Yeah, and also for the power foundation, we have the elastic settlement of power group, the safe load of single power. Okay, now let's check out the output table. Yeah, the output table. Yeah, we have the QT, that's the corrected QC. You have the friction ratio, the soil profile, classify it either it is firm, soft, stiff. For the different depths, at the different depths, you have the estimated unit weight, the estimated SPT N60 value and N160 value. You have all this, the estimated over-consolidation ratio, the Young's estimated Young modulus, estimated small strain shear modulus, estimated permeability, at these various depths. So let's move to the graphs. Let's check out the graphs for this test. So here we have various graphs. We have the cone resistance versus depth, local friction resistance versus depth, pore water pressure versus depth. Moving down, you see the other graphs we have for the test, based on your inputs. Yeah, so here are the CPT graphs. So after this, let's check out the result sheet. Let's check out the result sheet, which can be printed and attached to your soil reports. Okay, so click to move to result sheet. So you have all your basic inputs and calculations, the outputs, the graphs in a presentable form, and pressing Ctrl P will just give you, you can print this page. You can just print the result sheet. So going back, now the CPT comes with an assisted mode. Yeah, so you can just click here to switch to assisted mode. The assisted mode CPT, it assists you in the in your foundation design. So in the primary CPT, it takes all your inputs from the primary and brings it to the assisted mode. Then here you come to input foundation. Yeah, so it makes your foundation design easier. So here it calculates the assumed load on footing when you put in this inputs for your shallow foundation. Please select the tolerable settlements. You put in your basic details. Now for the deep foundation also, it makes your design easier. You can select pile spacing, the pile installation type, and so it calculates the load on pile group, the number of piles, and also the assisted mode, the results sheets from the assisted mode. It can also be printed just pressing Ctrl P. And thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Thank you.